Hi everyone, this is Meg from Megumi Stamping Retreat. Thank you for joining me today. I have a cute penguin card to share with you today. I am featuring the Penguin Place bundle from the July through December mini catalog. And there is a new embossing folder as well. It is called Stack Crossed Embossing Folder. And if I see you the background on this card, you can see the embossed image in the background. Okay, and let's see, and let me show you the paper that I'm using quickly. This one is one of the celebration items you can get for free with the $50 purchase. And really cute pattern paper. Okay. There's one. Let me show you the back. I love the color combination. It's so pretty. Now, I really like this striped one. Some more wintry themes. And here's my favorite blue, Misty Moonlight. There you go. And there is one more sheet of paper that I'm almost run out, which is this one. Okay, see, it's really pretty. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let me put my stamp set aside and see. Okay, I'll bring my supplies here. Okay, so my background I've already done embossed with the star crossed embossing folder, and I am going to adhere a couple pieces of designer paper. Here you go. Now I'm going to share the measurements in the description, so not too worried about writing this down. I'm gonna quickly apply some Tombow. Oh, I want to say about a ½ inch from the top and a ½ inch from the left hand side. Okay. Then the stripes pattern goes next. Okay, this one goes just across. Oh, I think I have about 3/8 of an inch on the bottom from the other pattern paper. Now I'm ready to apply a ribbon. Now in my sample, I did add the ribbon. Let me show you here. If I open my card, I think I added the ribbon after I adhered the basic white embossed piece. You can do either way. So, all right. I love this ribbon, so pretty. All right, so I'm gonna trim a little bit. Okay. All right, and I can just go ahead adhere to this card base. And this card base is a fresh Freesia. And I'm going to apply some Tombow in the background, the back of the embossed piece. And make sure that my ribbon is straight. I think I'm going to bring it up right here. Now, this card is fairly quick. You can change up pattern paper and embossing folder in use the same layout for another card. It's really adaptable. So okay, I need to do some stamping, so I will bring my stamping mat, and I'll bring my die cut here. Now this die cut is from Hippo and Friends, one of my favorite go-to die set. And again, I'm using a fresh Freesia ink pad. So I'm going to randomly stamp snowflakes. Okay, then I'm going to set this aside. And then I think I'm going to do a penguin. He is so cute. All right, now I have Memento black. Make sure I have enough black ink. Okay, now I have to look at the punch. See that I'm going to insert the paper this way, and actually he's upside down, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, ooh, stamped really nice. Okay, so I'm going to add his beak and a bow tie. So I have let's see, this one is Mango Melody. I'm gonna get a little bit of ink. He's going to be so cute. Okay, and then I'm going to grab, let's see, the Just Jade. For his bow tie. Let me try there. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, just like that. Okay, then I'm going to use the punch. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so got him punched out. Then I'm going to punch out his feet. So I have melon, not the melon. I have Mango Melody cardstock, just a scrap paper, and I'm going to, I think I'm going to just grab a couple mini glue dots. That will be the easiest. So here's one. So, and then one more. Okay, so he is done. Okay. All right, so while I have my stamping mat, I'm gonna go ahead stamp Seasons Greetings. Here we go. Okay, so perfect. There, and let's just put this aside. Oh, I have an extra here. All right, so then let's go ahead and assemble this. Okay, couple of dimensionals for the penguin. So I need couple trees that I already cut out using the cabins dies. And the tall tree will go first. And I'm going to adhere with the tombow. And this will go to sort of the background. Just like so. Oh, and then the shorter tree, I am going to use some dimensionals. And let me see if I can trim skinny dimensionals out of the edge of the mini dimensional packet. So that's perfect. Okay, so then this will go right here. Right, so let me bring my card back in my sample, and it's going to be right here. So I need let's see, about 4 dimensionals, and we can always add more if we need it. Like so. Here you go. And then season's greetings. Okay, this card is almost done. It's very simple and cute. All right, so let's see if I have room here. Yes, I do. So going to be right here. All right, let's see. Okay, so I think I got it. Okay, this is it. Isn't that cute? Yeah, I love it. See how it opens. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. I hope you like the card. Bye-bye.